Hello, Suppression, my old friend. I've come to fuck with you again. Within the festival, a silence grows, people speaking, voices stolen away. The Mary Wallopers, their song was still. PA cut off empire's power on full display. Beneath the lights, the flag was raised. Free Palestine will not be swayed. And in the naked glare, the music died. In the sound of suppression, hands of people bowed and prayed to the fascist god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning. In the sound of suppression, a flag wave silent, crushed by empire's might. Victorious fast drowned the rebel fight. The crowd's hands rose, then fell in despair. Echoes of justice filled the air. Speak up against genocide, they tried to say, but England's silence turned them away. And the vision that was planted in our minds lives on in the sound of suppression. As the people bowed and prayed to the fascist god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the sound of suppression. And the words of the prophets are written on the stage and whispered in the rubble of a silent stage. And the people bowed to silence if rain. Yes, the people bowed to silence's reign. But a whisper grows louder from the river to the sea in the sound of suppression. And the people bowed and prayed to the fascist god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the sound of suppression. And the silence took my hand in the shadow of the land, but the sound of resistance will rise again in the sound of suppression.